Hey, so it's Steven on the Eat Free, Be Free channel, and I'm transferring dill into a container. I make all my containers in raised beds in the same way. Raised beds, not so many drilled holes. I just transferred this dill last night. I'm about to put one in this bucket here. And then I got to do the same for clones, but I got to upcycle some containers from somewhere. I haven't spent $1 on a single container or raised bed in my little farm. Not $1 on the soil or anything. But anyhow, I live in an RV, so let's get to doing this bucket. And I drill a lot of holes in it for drainage. Container gardens really have to have drainage. Underneath the rocks is some decomposing logs, but it's more so to help with drainage, not really decomposition and nutrient. You're going to put nutrient-rich soil here, which I already have readied, about 2 inches up, really rich. The rest with fill dirt, plant as deep as possible. Okay, so I'm going to get on with that, and I'll be back. Alright, so my nutrient-rich compost I've got in the first 2.5 inches. It's pretty rich. Earthworm castings and such that I do right here myself. It's my spice garden. Anyhow, so I'm going to fill this up a little more and then get this root right to the base of that and leave some room for more soil and some Spanish moss mulch. I'll be right back. Alright, so now I got the bucket filled, and dill really likes good drainage, but it also likes a lot of moisture, and it's a mammoth dill, so this thing gets about 12 foot tall here in Central Florida, and it's just an amazing plant when it flowers. It's a great tasting dill for your cucumbers, and when you plant your cucumbers and your dill, they usually end up finishing at the same time. Dill is very sensitive to start, very sensitive to transplant, but proper drainage is the most important thing. So let me get this down in here as deep as I can get it and packed up, and we'll go on to the next task. Alright, so this one's planted as deep as I can go without risking any kind of root rot or stalk rot, but it will fall over like it's dead. That one did last night, but it's up and alive. For 2 days I'll leave it under the UV umbrella and eventually put them right back out in the sun in about 3 days, probably Monday. Alright, this has been Steven, and I plant everything like this in the same manner. I'll condition the soil a touch different per the plant. This one likes this loamy aerated soil. It's kind of water repellent in a way when it's done right. So if you make it right and it seems like it's mud soup, aerate it with a stick. Always pack and aerate the soil when it's loamy for stuff like this. Strawberries like this soil. I've even grown an orchid in this soil. Alright, so that's it for this time. I just planted mammoth dill. I got one more bucket to clean up and get readied, and then I got 3. I got all 3 planted. I'm very happy with it. So again, the new one's gonna lay back over too. Maybe, maybe not. Sometimes they don't. Like I said, they're very delicate, so handle them gently when you transplant. You're gonna have to do it many times. I'm excited about these because these are from seed from my mammoth dill last year, and they brought me great joy. I'm just now starting to run out of dill for pickling. Anyhow, God bless.